Okay, just getting ready to start painting. I got the door set up here. That's gonna get the white color. And it's gotta get all 6 sides coated. So top, bottom, left, right, front, and back. So it's gotta be sealed completely. So I'm gonna start doing the outer side first and the edges. Got everything kind of like covered up here. Got plastic over all the new cabinets here. These are gonna get painted anyways. Got them all taped off, all covered up here. And I got these countertops covered here and here. So I'm gonna start painting this nasty, ugly yellow ceiling here. And I'm gonna start getting rid of all the yellow. And I got some nice dark gray for the trim for the casings. Got this nice dark color here. So that's that. That's the white. That's the gray. All right, let's start painting. One of my most hated jobs, but I'm good at it, but I just don't like it. I'm too picky. All right, we'll be back. All right, I got one coat on of the white. It's starting to dry. So that's one coat on the ceiling. This whole soffit I did. And I started doing the cabinet doors, did everything over here. This was all yellow. Still got to do these down here. But that's basically a whole gallon gone. Just sucked it right up. Ceiling looks pretty shitty because that damn person who, that girl who, she painted it yellow and she just did a horrible job. So it's just, I did the best I could with it, but the new drywall looks amazing. Anyways, yeah, it's coming along pretty good. And I still got to do all these, obviously, to figure out how I want to paint these. I've got to paint all this too. But I got to get another gallon for tomorrow. I got one side of the door done and I got the sides, top, bottom, and then this front all done. So I just want to put it back on there so Bernie doesn't go down in the basement overnight. And then I can do the other side while it's hanging. All right, that's it for today. Things are coming along. The old cabinets look pretty darn good once you get them painted. Got the glass all taped off. Got the baseboard done in the dark gray, the window trim, and I got all the other ones over here. Painting them up. All right, crazy snow today, boy. Guy just plowed the driveway. This cabinet should be in tomorrow, hopefully, or tonight, but I hope I get it by tomorrow and I can get it installed, and then we'll get the countertop guys in here. And then, lots more to do. Obviously, I got to paint that wall still. That's yellow. Got to do a second coat on the ceiling, floor. Tons of electrical with the cooktop and the oven, which still have to get installed. They're still over there, so there's nothing in there yet. So lots to do still. I'm gonna be here several more weeks, probably at least 3 more weeks probably to finish it up. Gonna be nice though. Got the holes in here, sliding drawers. Just got them all installed. Got the slow close on those. Same on here. Slow close. Gotta love it. And man, we were really tight there. Got her in there just beautiful. All right, I got one more sliding drawer. I'm gonna put in this one here next. They don't come with them, so I'm gonna put that in next. All right, coming along nicely. Still gotta put a skin on the back here and here, but that'll go at the very end. She's all ready for countertops, basically. Got this cut out for the oven. Got these all done. These nice, same thing, sliding drawers all installed yesterday, sliding bottoms, all slow close, very nice. Same here, slow close. Everything is slow close. And I finally got this cabinet in. It just came in this morning and I just installed it. This was the one we were waiting for. And everything's all done. Everything is nice, slow close. Got all the handles on. So I got all the old cabinets painted. And of course, these aren't slow close. These are, I'm gonna have to put some bumpers on these. I got all the glass. Spent hours and hours cleaning this glass, but all painted, sanded, painted. That was a ton of work, but they look almost brand new with these new handles and new paint. Same over here, all new handles. Same over here, all new handles. And down here too, they're all new. Well, they're not new, but they look new because they're painted. And brand new door too. So very, 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 very close here. Very nice big cabinet up there. They never even had a cabinet there before. So yeah, that's it for now. Countertops get installed tomorrow at 2 p.m. So we'll have more pictures then. All right, just got the light in. Strip light LED, super bright. Man, does that make a difference. And it's on a dimmer too. So you can kind of dim it down so it's not too crazy bright. But man, for cooking, this is gonna be amazing. I mean, there's the difference without it. She is bright. Nice. You just carried the first piece in. Wow. That looks cool. Yeah, go ahead. You can talk. Yeah, Sean's my cohort.